Welcome back to my channel USA Cars Detail. The wait is over. Ducati has finally unleashed the 2025 XDiavel V4, and it's everything fans were hoping for and more. Blending the raw muscle of a power cruiser with the soul of a sport bike, the new XDiavel V4 is a bold evolution of one of Ducati's most unique machines. Let's dive into what makes this beast so special. At the heart of the 2025 XDiavel is Ducati's Gran Turismo V4 engine, a 1,158 cubic centimeters powerhouse borrowed from the Multistrada and tuned specifically for this platform. With around 168 horsepower and a smooth yet aggressive torque curve, it delivers thrilling acceleration across the entire rev range. Unlike the high-strung Panigale, the XDiavel V4 offers relaxed, low-end grunt while still screaming at higher RPMs when pushed. Design-wise, Ducati hasn't held back. The 2025 XDiavel V4 features sharper lines, a more aggressive stance, and refined detailing throughout. The LED lighting system is sleeker, with a futuristic Y-shaped daytime running light at the front and a minimal, floating-style tail light at the rear. The bike feels like a concept brought to life, modern, muscular, and unmistakably Ducati. Comfort and performance are no longer a trade-off. The ergonomics are slightly more upright, with improved seat cushioning and revised foot peg placement for longer rides. Suspension duties are handled by fully adjustable Öhlins components, and the electronics package is as advanced as it gets: multiple ride modes, cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and Ducati's signature quickshifter, all managed through a crisp full-color TFT display. Braking is world-class thanks to Brembo Stylema calipers and dual 320mm discs up front, giving riders total confidence when bringing all that power to a stop. The single-sided swing arm remains a signature touch, showing off the massive rear wheel and giving the bike that iconic stance. What really sets the XDiavel V4 apart is its personality. It's not just a cruiser, not just a sport bike. It's a fusion of attitude and engineering. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or rolling through the city at night, this bike turns heads and stirs emotion. The 2025 Ducati XDiavel V4 isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. A machine for riders who demand power, style, and presence in one beautiful package. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more bike content just like this.